No cats.
No cats.
Yeah. I always trying to, you know, it must be real, not
Yes.
like from TV. Yeah. Can we start?
Yes, why not?
Okay. Okay. Hello, guys and girls. I hope. Today I'm in Poznań with special guest Kuldeep. Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm very fine, sir, and enjoying this beautiful old city. This is so beautiful.
Yeah. Poznań is a great place.
Yes.
If you don't see it yet, you should be here.
So actually, I was looking for a T-shirt
Yeah.
where it's by I love Poland. So I could not find it. I just
No?
walk around. I could not find it. Otherwise, I would wear it.
Kuldeep is an inventor of aluminium version of Pantorouter. Yeah, it's called HybridPantorouter,
Yes.
and it's amazing machine. I'm sure of my words. Can you say how many years ago you start with this project?
I think so. At the time Matthias Wendel invented it.
Yeah,
So I was really amazed by his invention.
yeah,
And I thought, okay, I'm gonna make it. Then I tried to make it from the wood. So I made it, but then all my friends, they were saying, okay, it would be nice if we can make it from the steel.
yeah,
So we made it, and it was quite heavy,
yeah,
but it works very great. And that time we designed the template which can make a mortise and tunnel in one time. Don't need to change the template.
yeah.
And we designed that one, and it works great. Then I sent these pictures to Matthias, actually, and then he really liked it, and then he put it on his Facebook page. Then after that, people start asking me if you can make one for us, but it was very heavy because of the steel.
Yeah,
So it was very expensive to ship. Then I start thinking about it. Then I start working on aluminium extrusion frame.
yeah,
And then I make it. Then I send one to Matthias Wendel. Matthias Wendel, just of course, he's very guy who want to first check it, and he like it. Then he put it on his website, which really helped me a lot.
yeah.
So now I'm making my bread just from the Pantorouter. It's all because of Matthias Wendel.
Good move, Matthias. Yeah, and actually the Matthias website, and he's very popular in Poland. Many people is watching him, including me.
Yes.
I saw his machines. I bought his software for gear generator.
Yes.
So he is one of this guy who is not only stop only on work with wood, but only he's engineer and
Yes. Because
mathematical guy.
he was an engineer in Blueberry.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't.
Blueberry or Blackberry?
Yeah,
Yeah.
This company from
Yeah.
with phones.
Yes, phone.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how many years was the first meet with Pantorouter? 5, 6?
I think 5-6 years ago it
Yeah.
was. So then I think now I'm selling. I think more than 4 years I'm selling it.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm selling good amount of it.
In Poland, we have some machines. The huge machine for wooden furniture. It's called obwiedniówka. I don't know how the name of English word, but it's working like this. That you need to put template, and is some collect, and you just need to put a piece of wood, and it's working always the same. So when you are a producer of, for example, of chair,
Yes.
it's very fast machine. You just need to put a piece of wood and put a button, and it's working alone. And so when I first time saw the Pantorouter, I was very impressed that it's very universal machine. It's not only for one kind of connection of joinery, but you can do a lot of things. Yeah? The tenons and the finger joints, dovetail joints,
Yeah.
and it's amazing. It's amazing
Yeah.
piece of equipment.
Yeah.
I have the first version, the first version of Kuldeep machine, and it was I think it was about 2.5 years ago,
Yes.
and we show this machine on Drema trade show 2 years ago, and people when they saw it first time, they didn't realize that what kind of work this machine doing.
Yes.
Because it's look like huge aluminium, a lot of aluminium parts and
Yes.
steel and the steel rods and bearings. It's working very smoothly, but people don't realize what they can do. Then when you put some samples behind this machine,
Yes.
in front of this machine, and suddenly they, wow, can I do this? Can I do this? And it's not possible that all this joinery is made on this
Yes,
one
one
machine.
machine.
Yeah? And it's also very accurate. Yeah,
Yeah.
The connection is so tight. And you can decide what kind of the joinery can be more loose and more tight. Yeah, it's so simply to use.
Yeah.
During these years, from this my first machine, what was changed? Because
Okay,
you are improving the
Yeah, one
machine
thing we
all
of course
time.
we did a tilting table mechanism. We did it, and then we made a downside. It was already aluminum extrusion frame, so
Yeah.
the people has to
Yeah.
assemble it. So what we did it, we make it idiot proof. So we make it this base out from aluminum casting.
Yeah,
So now, because of aluminum casting, so the Pantorouter come from in one box, and it take only few minutes. As you saw the one of the video, I assemble
Yeah.
with the Matthias Wendel, one Pantorouter in Canada. So it is like that one. So we are now working on some new templates, set of the mortise and tenon templates, which should be able to launch next month.
okay.
Yes, so this templates are actually sponsored by Mr. Caption, my distributor in America. So he think about it. We need a new set of the templates.
Okay.
So he did it.
The biggest issue with Matthias version was huge mess from chips, yeah?
Yes.
Because this machine is so fast that chips flying everywhere.
Everywhere.
It's,
Even 25 feet away.
yeah.
Yes.
So next improvement was dust
Yes.
hood, yeah?
Dust collection hood. It took me around two years actually, more
2
than
years.
2 years. So I was thinking
Wow.
what to do, how to control it, then think about it, and so then first I made it out from the sheet metal
Yeah.
and tried it, and it works great. But it was not working as I wish.
Yeah.
So then we started working on because then suddenly the 3D printing machines start becoming very
Yeah.
popular. So we designed it again, and we made a STL file and design it, put it together, and because we want to put the brush also to be detachable. You just put it
Yeah.
and take it out with
that's
one
right.
hand.
Okay.
We don't want it like you have to use the screw. So now the dust collection hood, you can see, just you put it, snap it, and
Okay.
take it out. So this is what we tried it, and it works great. Then we decided, okay, now it's time to make it out, make the mold, and mold is not cheap, that expensive. But
How
we
many
did it.
prototypes you did?
Actually, around At least minimum, I think 10-20 prototype I made it, and finally this was the best we could do it, and it's working great. And good thing is that we just got the patent for it also.
Okay.
Yes.
And on my observation, it collecting I don't know, maybe 95% of chips.
Yes.
It's you know, the airflow is going from, I don't know, this direction or this, never mind, but it's collecting nearly all chips.
Yeah.
And so after 1 hour of work, you just have some dust or something.
So few chips. So
yeah.
That's
very
also
clean.
not everywhere in your workshop. Just it is on near the table. That you can collect with the hand even.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So it was the big issue is improved. It's amazing. Next improvement.
Next improvement, because in Europe you don't have any choice for the router motor. So in Europe there are so many round body router motor available, but here you have, I think, only one motor. That one is very heavy. What was the name which you had?
I have AG.
AG. It is quite a big size.
That's right.
And it is very heavy.
Yeah.
And because it's a big size, it was controlling our motion of the Pantorouter.
Yeah.
So then we start thinking about it, what should we do? Then we design something for the crest or AMB, and crest is now AMB anyway. And we designed for the crest and also for the muffle.
Yeah.
So the muffle, it has a 43 millimeter, and also the AMB has 43 millimeter neck.
Yes.
So you can just put it, and in one hand you can lock it.
Yeah.
So, and because of the back side, we just open it, and because this is steel, it's very good quality steel and very rigid.
Yeah.
So the switch is not coming on the way, so you can just easily on off switch.
Okay.
So, and a good thing about a muffle and the AMB is that they have the locking switch for the collet is outside. You don't need to put through the dust collection hood. You need to put underneath your finger, and then you can lock the collet. But here, just upside. You just lock it, and then very easy.
Yeah.
So that one is really, really good. Just only issue was that it has a maximum 8 millimeter collet.
Yeah.
So for it, we just made a custom size of this router bit. So this one, this one is 12 millimeter, and it has 8 millimeter shank and 12 millimeter cutting dia, and it is a pure solid carbide.
Yeah. I show you pictures of this. It looks amazing. It's of course spiral, 2 flutes. Yeah.
Yes, 2 flutes.
Yeah, and polished solid carbide. It looks amazing, and I'm not sure you can buy stuff like this. Yeah, 8 millimeters collect and 12. It's not.
Yes.
It's only custom made for you.
Yeah, you can buy until 10 millimeter, but not.
And also the smallest one, the
smallest,
8?
Smallest one is we made it 6 millimeter.
6 millimeter, and it's very long. Yeah.
Yeah, it has a 35 millimeter cutting length.
That's right.
Yeah, so you can cut more with it.
Very, very high quality. Believe me.
Okay, this is very nice.
Yeah.
So it is not like a cheap quality things.
Yeah, that's right. I also saw on the website or the Facebook you post some spiral but dovetail.
Yes,
Yeah?
but okay,
You tried
we tried it and it works great, but then we find out it is not worth to spend that much money for it.
Okay.
So we stop thinking about it.
Okay.
So the spiral is good with this thing, sir, but not with just only thing we are designing it like making it more taper of the dovetail bit. So we make it more taper, not just in the degree, but this size. So Now I'm asking one company is fish
Yeah.
from Austria.
Yeah.
So they are making for us a special dovetail bit. Yeah. So they would
Another
be
custom thing for
yes.
for Pantorouter.
So I'm going to meet them next week. So
Okay.
hopefully that time it would be ready.
Very good, very good. So you are traveling a lot.
Nowadays, just because I love Europe, and in Japan it's very hot,
Yeah.
and it's nice to be escape from the heat of Japan. Especially I'm from India. India is more hotter than Japan. Over there, it could be 43 or 44 degrees.
Wow. Now in Poland is
Very beautiful.
yeah, it's okay. So the base was changed, the cast molding was changed, the changing of motor is increase of
The
moving.
motion. Now it's like a width is like you can go for around 260 millimeter, like,
Okay.
and the height also you can go up to 120 millimeter, so which is quite good.
Yeah. The back for templates was changed too.
Yes, yes.
From
Acrylic
yeah.
to aluminium.
Yeah, it was a very good move because the aluminum have rays or grooves, and when you put the template, it's always the right position.
Yes,
You just must just move it on the base, and
Yes.
that's it. Yeah.
yes,
And I show it. No, sorry. You showed me the new templates too. Yeah. With
yes.
the-
I showed you.
Yeah.
So next month it will
Okay.
be launched. So I will send you one set of it.
Okay, okay. And I also saw that so many people doing templates, own templates, yeah?
Yeah.
Like me.
Yeah.
I do some samples, but I saw the Japanese cats.
Yeah,
This crazy. They are crazy about these cats. Hit
yeah,
with eyes or smiley face.
yes. Smiley face. Yes,
Yeah,
yes. This is my distributor. They're going to launch Pantorouter in Japan.
Yeah.
So over there, they specially employ one engineer
yeah,
who is doing this kind of things and making different kind of things.
very good move.
Yes.
I-
And they're thinking they're not going to sell it as a joinery machine. They're going to sell it as a copy machine.
Uh-huh. I always repeating that when you're doing some furniture, it's always to have some special, unique connection, joinery or material or some sign. This is yours. So when you're creating some template, then is the best place is to make the fruit. It's not hidden. That is the through the whole material,
Yes.
and then you just need to put some wedge, and that's it. It's look beautiful,
Yes.
and it's unique. It's made by
Yes.
your hand, and
Yeah.
also the templates. I have a CNC, or I'm using the 3D printer.
Okay.
But I saw so many people doing the templates just straight from hand,
Yeah,
by
just
hand,
by hand.
file.
Because the reason is that it has a 2:1 reduction. So it means if you making like a 1 millimeter like on the real template, so it's
Yeah.
going to be only half millimeter.
Yeah.
So in the wood it is not a big difference.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right. What else? I'm thinking about the machine. One improved that I made by myself. It was 2 holes in the table, just to put the clamps
Okay.
just through the
Under
the bed. Yeah.
Okay.
Because sometimes when I keeping the material is in the middle and it's huge, you don't have a place to put a clamp from the side.
So we just thinking about like we can actually we can do a factory hall,
Yeah.
but sometime you
People
know the
don't
customer
need it, yeah?
don't need it, and then they think this is ugly.
Aha. Okay.
So they don't want this thing. So we just because this is aluminium. So
Yeah.
if they want, they can make hole by themselves.
Yeah, I was thinking how drills to use to make these holes, and suddenly I decided to use the drills like this with the steps.
Yes, that is the best.
Yeah, it was so easy.
Yes.
I was amazed that it was like this and was done. What else? What else about the machine? The good thing is that the machine is already prepared to a lot of motors.
Yes,
Because when you are a carpenter, you are working with wood. Probably you have already
Yes.
some spindle molder or
Yeah.
molder, and you cannot use all of them
Yeah.
because the only condition is the shape. Yeah, it must
Yeah.
be cylinder, and there is a Bosch AEG.
yeah.
What else? The muffle and crest is new.
The muffle crest is the good thing is that nowadays so many woodworkers also having CNC in their home.
Yeah.
Okay. So because of the Pantorouter can use the muffle or the AMB, you just open it in one hand and then you can install
you
it on the
can-
Pantorouter, and that is that much easy.
That's right. Because when you have only one motor,
Yes, then
So-
otherwise of course you must need to have something dedicated.
yeah. I also try someday with the motor from my CNC, the water cooler,
Yeah.
2.5
Yeah. That must
kilowatts.
be very heavy.
Yeah, it was very heavy. The pipes with water.
Yes, yes.
It was horrible, but it's working. And if you want to use it, no problem. And
And it must be quite.
yes, that's right. It's so quiet. When you start working with wood,
Yes.
then it's noise. But on idle movement, it's so quiet. So it's very good. Okay. I saw on Facebook.
Yeah.
I've changed it. I will change the topic.
Okay.
I saw on the Facebook your kid, your son.
Yes.
I love this guy because when I saw the first movie with his this little robots with Lego,
Yes.
from Lego, very good move to the push kids from tablets and smartphones
Yeah.
and computer to manual work. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beginning of great adventure with creation,
Yeah.
create something, yeah.
And
Not only play, yeah.
He's not like the tablet guy or the movie guy or doing the video game. No,
Yeah.
he just want to make. Okay, he watch sometime a video on the YouTube how what kind of Lego design someone is doing. So then he take the inspiration and he make his own design.
Yeah.
This is what he do.
These robots with these hands.
Yes, yes.
It was fun. I must show it to my kids to try it. How old is he?
He's 8 years old now.
8?
Yes.
My youngest son is 8.
Okay.
They must
Meet each other.
yeah, meet and
I will bring them next time to Europe.
no problem. You're always welcome. Okay, and I'm wondering on which country is the Pantorouter, in which country is most I don't know how to say it.
Successful,
Yeah,
selling
yeah,
a lot.
yeah.
That one is the USA.
USA
Yes.
because of Matthias or
Because of Matthias
And a lot of people-
Second thing, American people, they are very challenger. they like to do the new things always.
Yeah.
They always adopt a new idea all the time.
Okay.
And my first Pantorouter, it was not really Pantorouter, it was just a pantograph mechanism which one of the lady from San Diego, she bought it that time.
Yeah.
So they are very adventurous, and no wonder if they got the most patent in the world.
No, and I'm not sure. I wasn't in state, but when I see the guys on YouTube, they are always keeping their cars outside, and all garages
Yes.
is full of machines.
Yes, that's what they are doing.
It's funny.
So because actually there is a huge country and they have
Yeah.
very big players. Especially Japan, they love Japanese people. They love DIY, but the problem is that they don't have place.
Okay.
Yeah.
And actually now we can say it. The Pantorouter is available in Poland too. Yeah.
Yes.
Good move.
Yes.
Good move. Very good move.
Yes.
And when I show it first time 2 years ago on Drema, the question where can we buy it was so often, and always I say you can go to the website and buy straight from Japan, and people always, oh, from Japan it was,
That's scary.
taxes, yeah, it's scary because it is delicate, and now it's easy.
Now it's easy. Now you have your distributor
Yeah.
in your own country. No extra taxes, nothing.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
We can say it AMK
Yes.
AMKK
Yeah.
agency. Very good move. Very good move. And what's future plans for machine? Do you are still looking for some weakness of machines, and you are trying to improve it, or?
No, I think this is all very good.
Yeah.
So the next plan is that I like Matthias Wendel's tilting rotor lift.
Okay.
So I am working on it. So hopefully we will soon launch it, but of course it will take 6 to 7 months more.
Okay. Another question. What kind of software you are using to, or you are trying to,
Fusion 360. That's a free.
Yeah.
You can just download.
I started many years ago with SketchUp, then SolidWorks, and suddenly people told me about Fusion 360, and I've tried, but it's so hard for me to change way of thinking.
The reason is that this is just like if you are working with the window and you have to come to the Macintosh. So that's a totally different. And the Macintosh guy can't work on the window.
That's right.
So that's the only thing.
Okay. I'm trying to find the time of. Okay, it's about half an hour. What else we can ask Kuldeep?
Maybe I need to visit your shop.
Yeah, it's okay. So it will be opportunity because I'm not sure, but it was secret. But Kuldeep is invited to our booth on Drema.
Yes.
So maybe we will see you in next month. It will be a great pleasure to us to see you there and see you work.
Yeah.
You will you can then talk with Polish woodworkers,
Yeah.
about this machine. Maybe they will inspire you to change something or improve it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Especially when you talk to another guys and they are working for such a long time, they must have some new innovative idea when they see it.
Yeah, that's right. It's always
So these are things whenever we go for the woodworking show, so we always get inspired by the people. They tell us the new things. So okay, now we have another exhibition. That one is the biggest exhibition in the world in Atlanta woodworking show.
Okay.
So that one is from 22nd August. So I will be there.
okay. challenge for Kuldeep. Can you say something in Polish?
Oh,
Do you know?
no, I don't know any word, but maybe next time when I will come, I will learn some Polish language.
You can say, for example, pozdrowienia
Pozdrowienia
dla widzów
dla widzów.
Domidrewno.
Domidrewno.
Very good, very good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it was very nice to see you.
Same here.
So, see you next time. Yeah.
Of course, see you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.